Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do a little process video of making my first ever pocket letter. I am part of a swap and I need to make a Valloween pocket letter, which is kind of like, I guess, Halloween and Valentine's Day in one. So I have really no idea what I'm doing here. I purchased Serena B Creative's collection, which is called Love Bites, and to be honest, I wish there were more elements and like papers and stuff in it. So I don't really know how I'm working with this yet, because this is all that was in it, which I don't feel like is much at all. But we're gonna go with this and hopefully I'll be able to create something with this. Yeah, but I don't really know. So I have my sequins out here because I figure the first thing that most people do in a pocket letter, I've watched some videos, is make a little shaker part. So that's what I'm going to do and put that into this little middle shaker piece. So I just have colors that I think are coordinating with this collection. So we're just going to throw in sequins and stuff. I might throw in some like fake snow in here too, just because I think it might look cute. But yeah, we got purples, like a bluish turquoisey minty color. I don't really know. We're just throwing things together. We got a hot pink because I cannot find regular pink sequins for the life of me. So we got some of that. That's a lot. Let's throw in some more blues. Okay, and then I have like some white ones. I really like these. They're like a silvery, metallic-y, pearlescent kind of white. I don't know. So I really like that. Let me shake that up a little. That looks good, but I really think I would like the fake snow in there, so let me get some of that. You know what, guys? My fake snow is put away with my Christmas stuff, so I found these. I have like these holographic stars in here. Just like glittery stars, so we're just gonna throw some of those in here. Oh, that looks better. I just needed something smaller. Is that enough sequins in there? I think so. So I have a fuse tool here, and we're gonna fuse this together somehow. Do I need a ruler for this? Probably. You can also use a sewing machine and just fuse it together, but I actually have a fuse tool, so we're just gonna fuse this together. Where does this end? Right there. We'll just fuse it right there. So I got my fuse tool out already, and I hope I don't burn anything right now. I should be doing this on a mat. Don't burn my desk. All right, hopefully that did the trick. Hopefully it didn't do the back side. It did. All right, I still want this back side open. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there yet, but I want to be able to use that because my pockets are double-sided, so there's a pocket here and there's a pocket on the other side as well. All right, but I think that's doing a pretty good job, just like that. I'm also going to get these edges a little bit because they're not fully connected. All right. I think that's good. Look, we got our inside. Okay. So next, I'm going to start arranging my cards how I want them. You know what? Maybe I should close up all my sequins because the last time I didn't close them up is also the time that I spilled all my sequins. And I sat here taking them back apart. So let's put those away. All right, I thought I would zoom you guys out a little bit. I know it's gonna be a little shiny right now, but I'm gonna try to make it unshiny for you. So I have like these cards that I already cut down to size. They're 2.5 by 3.5, and I just wanted to arrange them on here as to where I see fit. So that's what we're doing. There's a lot of black in this collection because, again, like I told you guys, I am doing Valloween, so that's what we're going with. I'm almost thinking like I should use this, but we could cut that out actually. So I'm kind of liking how that looks. Is that still too shiny for you guys? I also cut out some dies. I have like this little envelope here, and this little note could go inside. So I wanted to stick this onto somewhere. Oh, this one would look cute right there. I don't know. I also have these die cuts and the circle. I don't really know what I'm doing. So you know what? I'm just going to put some music on. I'm just going to try to arrange these things and see how I like it. So here I am just rearranging some of the papers that I had thought I wanted there already, but I moved a couple of them around just in different locations, and I'm just piecing the ephemera on top of the 2.5 by 3.5 cards that are already in the pockets, or not in the pockets, but they're on top of the pockets. I'm also adding in this like rose gold foiled thing that I had cut out using like a love die arrow sentiment kind of thing. And then I'm just going to start decorating every single one of these. So to this card I'm adding in some trim. I was looking at another trim as well, but I just really like the white pom-pom, and then I'm adding in some Nouveau drops around there and kind of use those as enamel dots. And I'm doing the same thing with all of these cards. I add trim if I feel like I could fit some trim on there. I'm popping some stuff up on foam tape and dimensionals. I'm cutting out little like flags and banners as backgrounds. And yeah, so I'm just doing this throughout all of this until I have everything stuck down onto my little pocket cards. And the Nouveau drops are going to need some time to dry as well, so we're going to have to come back in a little bit after all the Nouveau drops are on. Here I'm also adding in a doily. I thought it was white, but it actually kind of looks gray. And I threw in some eyelash trim underneath the sentiment that says love bites, and I'm adding in and layering and just doing a whole bunch of that fun stuff. Alright guys, now everything is dry. This one took a while to dry and it's not even smooth, but it's fine. So I'm going to put everything inside and it's going to turn out so cute. I mean, I hope it turns out really cute. What is that on there? Alrighty, so I'm just sticking these in here. Some of them are going to be a little tight because, you know, I needed to go and add dimension and stuff. I just can't make things flat. But I think it still turned out cute. I love that I added in like all those like Nouveau drop pieces, and I kind of use Nouveau drops like you would, I guess, enamel dots. Like I just really like it. This thing I wanted to put on top as like another layer. It already has a sentiment that says you make my heart explode, but I really wanted to put one on top as well. And then these guys, we could put these inside. I think this is turning out so cute, guys. Like I really do love how this has turned out. Oh, this one's gonna be hard again too. This one is super chunky. Why did I do that? Well, I mean, it's not bad. Just stuff it in there. Oh, these Nude drops turned out amazing. Anyway, so here is my pocket letter. Let me show you guys up close. Didn't this turn out super cute, guys? I'm loving it. I got some eyelash trim sticking out here. This one has a lot of dimension. Here's the next one, my not so smooth heart, but it's Valloween, you know? Is it supposed to be smooth? I really like how this one turned out with the doily. And here we have the bottom. Turned out very, very cute, guys. Now we just got to do the back. So I'm going to cut up some 2.5 by 3.5 pieces of paper that I had printed from the same collection. And we're going to stick them in every single pocket. Probably going to alternate. We'll see. Okay, so I did double side print these. So the back side has some of these. I could use that side as well. And then I also have this piece of paper. It looks like this, but I think I might just use the black hearts. So I'm just going to organize these how I think I want them. I don't know if this one's going to go good like this. Let me see what that looks like behind the sequins. Oh, I kind of like that. All right, I'm gonna cut up another one of these. Anyway, I just want the black hearts showing on both sides. So we're gonna go on a diagonal with this. Similar with this. And then there's gonna be these guys. So those are just gonna go in like this. It's nice that I have a pocket on the back side that I got double-sided, I guess, pocket things. So it's easy for me to just like stick stuff into either side. Because I stuffed them a bit though, I don't know how many goodies I'm gonna be able to fit in here, but we're gonna try. So I have some goodies here. I have these purple bows I wanted to gift. I have these turquoise ones. And then I also have these pink ones. I have some washi tape. I have these cute little coffee cup embellishments that I had made. Maybe they'll just go there. I have these gemmies that I wanted to gift as well. And this cute little cupcake. Maybe we'll put it here. These gemmies aren't going to fit unless I cut them. So let's cut them down. I guess they're just going to go like this. It's going to be uneven, but that's how it's going to go. Oh, this is definitely stuffed, guys. So I hope the recipient loves her Valloween. It's also really hard to do. I didn't know Valloween was a thing until I got paired with this person for the swap. Even though I really wanted to craft a Valentine's Day, but it is what it is. And I got Valloween. I made these little bows for her out of material. I just love gifting these bows. I think they're so cute. So I made some of those, and then these cute little coffee cups that I made. I hope I'm doing a good job on my first ever pocket letter. Like, let me know what you guys think. This was actually not bad to create. It was kind of fun. And it's a great way to use up scraps, to be honest. Because, you know, a lot of the time we're not going to have full sheets anymore, but we might have little 2.5 by 3.5 squares where we could use as like the background for our pocket letter. and some scraps, so why not create a pocket letter? All right. Isn't that adorable, guys? I really like how this turned out. Oh, actually, I had some other goodies I wanted to gift. I had some die cuts I wanted to give her. You know what? Maybe we'll just get rid of, we'll get rid of one of these. Give her the more jummies. Here, I wanted to give her some die cuts from this collection that I had cut out. And then some little Be Mine hearts and things. So I'll just stuff them in here somewhere. I guess I'll just also stuff them in here, because I think they're really cute. Alright guys, so there's my pocket letter. So here's what the back side looks like. I have these two little coffee cup embellishments. I have my little mint bows that just go with the collection, the purple that goes with the collection, some Valentine's Day washi, purple bows that go with the collection, pink bows, some extra die cuts and that I had cut out like ephemera, and some die cuts that I had cut out, and then this little cupcake. It just looks Valentine's Day-y, and she could embellish it a little bit more and whatever. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. How did I do? Did I do a good job on my first ever pocket letter? Let me know, guys. Oh, I love how it turned out. And then the very last thing I'm going to do is actually just add some washi tape here on the ends. I have like a sample of some Valentine's Day washi, so I might as well use it. It has some red in here, and I just broke it. No, I ripped it again. The struggle is real. Can you guys tell that I really don't do washi? I have like barely any washi. I got rid of so much. I used to buy so many, and it was back when I was like, you know, into planning and stuff, but no longer into planning. I mean, I am, just not paper planning. Okay, so that's that. I was just gonna fold it over, but I guess we'll just tape over it. If I have enough washi tape. Let's hope. Oh, this is not enough. Nope. Okay, that washi is done. I guess we will fold this over with what I do have here. I like how that kind of ties in the washi that I did gift her. And then I think I might have a hot pink one. This hot pink one doesn't really go. I mean, maybe. Oh, I have a light pink also. This light pink one like goes better. So then I'm gonna add that here. I see everybody adding washi to their pocket letters, so might as well use a mine. I'm really not liking how see-through this pink one is, so I think I might put like another layer. Get rid of all the washi. I find this to be so funny. That's better. Alright guys, now I am finished. Let me know what you guys think. I really do love how it turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!